Hello, everyone. With Lance Fantasy Gaming, we'll be looking at August 2025, Part 4. Sorry about that. And we'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and anime figures as well. And if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And I just started out my Patreon with two new figures that'll be coming out this month. It's only $5, and you can go to our Discord and also vote on the following one. I believe it'll be in October. We already got the August and the September, and I'll be showing it to you in the beginning. They'll be going to look at them from regular ones as well. So for this, we have the dark elf from one of the anime I completely forgot, wearing a bunny suit. We'll be test printing this very soon, and hopefully be able to get it going. The other one is Ellen Joe, wearing showing the bust. I'm trying to get to like this point right here in many ways. And then we have the following one that's going to be coming out in September. We got the Evil Eye from Daisegia. And then we also got the Succubus from Daisegia as well. There will be a bonus one that will be coming out, if I can find it correctly. I believe it is. There we go. Yeah. This is our following one. This is from the Miss Caretaker one anime as well, wearing a bathing suit. So we'll be test printing it all, putting it on our Patreon, and have you guys, for $5 support us, and the more supporters we get, the more figures you get for $5 basically. So yeah, and this will help out with a lot of people. And I do want to get all the Daisegia characters and also the Unicorn Overlord figures as well, especially for D&D. They're going to be 1/6 scale to 32 millimeter scale. For 32 millimeter scales for actual playing tabletop. For majority of them, not all of them. Just letting you guys know. So 3D Moon, we got figures. So we got Nero for Devil May Cry loyalty. We also got Fearin that got released today as well. We also got Yozuraha from Hell's Paradise that's coming in. I think this is the bonus one. I think this is from Gone from Hunter x Hunter. This is his serious form, if I remember correctly. I haven't watched the anime in so long time. I think they're remaking it too. So yeah, and we got Vishizuka. We just painted this not this long ago, a different version of it. uh, for her as well. Next one is Bruno Art 3D STL. This is also a figure. So we have Chi Chi. I think this is not Jessica Rabbit. I don't think. I think it's some other girl. This is Jessica Rabbit. Yep, it is. It did not really look like it, but they made it more realistic. This is Britney Spears and Evil Lynn as well. Azurma, this is another figure one as well. Um, I wonder if they did the okay August one would be Ram and Rim. That'll be our I think this is for October model. Okay, where's the August model? I would say, or unless they're taking a break. Let's see here. 400 give up. I don't know. You may have to go check them out as well. ES Monster, that are figure one as well. These are the release on the top, and this is the bonus one and welcome pack on the bottom as well. We'll go down and look at some of this. We got Bowsette for September. We don't care about that. Wonder Woman for September. We got Zhu Yang. I think that's from Demon Hunter, I believe. Oh, Journey to the West. Okay. We got Psylocke. We also got Magic from Marvel Rival. Yuri. I would like to have Yuri. I mean, Jury. I think that's how you say the name. Starfire. And Valkyrie. as well. Uh, Ronin Art Workshop, they finally back. This is the August pack. We got, I think this is Delta in the background. And we also got some D&D miniature of dinosaurs and barbarian for it. Hi, Cat Girl Pinup. I just changed your hair black and, you know, make it into Delta. I do like Delta from Shadows, uh, what the anime is called. You also got Dinosaur Rider, Barbarians as well, Bloodscale Clan, Rider, Barbarians. So that it is for this coming month. This one is Hybris Studio. We got July and August. Looks like you get both. You got Yinlin. We also got Velvet. That was last month. Why won't it load? There you go. CNL. Don't know where that's from. Another one is Zelda as well. A 3D Studio. Another figure one as well. This is this month's. We got Ashley, Jubilee, Boozette, Red Sonja, Ayla Sakura, and Raven. Then we got your welcome pack from Chun-Li, Squirrel Girl, Mystique, and X23 for your figures. 3D Monji's another figure one as well. More loot. This one is Koro. It's that the weight loss elf thing anime one as well. See, Cold of Dark Final Fantasy series win for next month. Ooh yeah. We got this one for next one as well. We got Velma and Delphine. Daphne. There we go. So August, notice, this is merchant. So if you get the merchants one, you get these three. Looks like I think they're changing the rules a bit for it, but yeah, you can look at the rest of it yourself. Do not want to get demonetized. CA Cal 3D Studio, another figure one as well. So we got Neon and Circuit. We got Silver Hair Scarlet, Unexpected Partner. We got Bust released for it for this month as well, if you're interested. They also do nude. They also get the diorama pack too. If you're missing a couple of the other ones for a while, you also get the diorama pack for it. A lot of cool stuff. I do like Ninja Turtles a lot. Gargoyle, How You Train Your Dragon, Death Note. Let's see here. Future models. This is another one. That's really good. So yeah, this is the unexpected for this month. I might get it just for Dead Space and Ray. I am a huge Ray fan, Evangelion fan. You guys haven't really noticed it as well. Let's see, we got a few more to go. Station 4, this is Warhammer Proxies, if you're interested in that. We got a Free Red truck. That looks kind of cool. So for the Imperials, looks like it. I don't know what the stats and the stuff for the Imperials, but Taron Hunters, this might be for Crew or Tau. So these are Taus. Proxy for some Taus. This is July. This is how much you get. So every other day, you're going to see another one of a whole bunch of these things as well. Neko figurines. So we got previous month, and we got specific 3 months. Demon Hunter. I don't know who she is, but we got a swap figure of Yennefer, Siri from Witchers. Saki from Impact as well. Got Your Soul from Expedition 33. Have the game, still haven't played it. in many ways. We'll do one more, and that'll be it for today. Torah Maidens. This is another figure one as well. You have Siri, Betty and Veronica, Carmen Ebeze, the messenger of death. We got Doric from Dungeons and Dragons, and we got Hey Kate. Do not know where that is from. And we got Cherry Taunt as well. So these are July, and this is going to be for your August release right here as well. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out the Patreon. $5 for two of those figures. The more patrons we get, the more figures you get for $5. Just let you guys know. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.